Hello everyone! Welcome to today's breastfeeding tutorial. If you're using a breast pump for the first time, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to use it safely and comfortably. Before you begin, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water. Make sure every part of your breast pump is clean, dry, and properly assembled according to the manufacturer's instructions. Find a quiet, comfortable place where you can relax. Stress can slow milk flow, so take a few deep breaths and think about your baby. Looking at a photo or video of your baby may also help encourage your milk letdown. Next, place the breast shield over your breast so that your nipple is centered inside the tunnel. This helps make pumping more comfortable and allows milk to flow efficiently. If you're using a manual breast pump, begin with gentle, quick squeezes of the handle to stimulate milk letdown. Once your milk starts flowing, switch to slower, deeper squeezes that feel comfortable. If you're using an electric breast pump, start with the stimulation mode on a low suction level, then gradually increase the suction to a comfortable setting. Pumping should never be painful. If you feel discomfort, stop and adjust the breast shield or reduce the suction. Continue pumping until your milk flow slows significantly. Many mothers pump for about 15 to 20 minutes per breast, although every mother is different. When you're finished, carefully pour the expressed breast milk into a clean storage bottle or breast milk storage bag. Label it with the date and time before placing it in the refrigerator or freezer according to safe breast milk storage guidelines.